this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We are here at Chewy at the, I think it's the Piston location here. All right, we cleaned, this is our third location here. As you see, we have this office area to do. We already got started. We have a team in here doing these offices and the side offices. There aren't any hard stains in here, so I'm just not going to show you this one here. But we'll walk over to the other room that we're doing as well. And we come here quarterly, okay? So that's why there aren't any really problematic stains or high trafficking. There's not a lot of graying or darkness in the high traffic areas because we come here so frequently. Look at that. So we're end cap cleaning. He's doing his thing over here. And then we have this center here. This is our third location, 50,000 square feet. This one is, I believe this one's 20,000 all together. This is the bulk of it. And we're in this back room here. As you see, we have another cleaner doing his thing over here. All right, let's take a look at the floors. Like I said, we come here every quarter. So that's why these look great. All right, stay tuned. I forgot to give you guys a video of us cleaning this large area here. And like you see, we started at 8 o'clock this morning. It is now 7:41 and we still have a 2-hour drive home. So we are just a little bit tired. Well, we are still getting the job done. We've done 3 buildings today, 50,000 square feet total altogether. And we're at the last wave here. Huh? Yeah. And that's it. That's a wrap. We are here at Chewy and Wilkes-Barre right now. We're doing the first one. We're doing the maintenance room here. We got another set of guys doing the main office area. We got a stain here on the floor. I just want to show you guys how we're going to hit and tackle this. You know, we put our pre-spray down, which, you know, emulsifies the dirt, breaks it down into a liquid, and disintegrates that. And then you use the pad to encapsulate it inside that. This is called end cap cleaning, also known as VLM, very low moisture cleaning. All right, these carpets dry in 30 minutes. Reason being, because it's low moisture, it extracts and gets all the dirt inside the pad. Very crucial, you have to use this type of method on these glue down carpets. As you can see, there's tiles here. All right, these tiles are glued down, and if you use steam or hot water, water gets trapped underneath, creates moisture, mildew. The pads start to rise up off the floor. Also, steam heats the glue up, makes the pads ride off the floor. So this is the best method to go ahead and go ahead and clean this here. I'm going to move these chairs, get these out the way. We're going to tackle the second half of this office area. Stay tuned. We're in another office here. The maintenance is coming up next. spray that?
You want to flip it or?
Nah, that's fine. That's all. Okay, yeah. We're gonna use it just on this floor here. This will be the last time we'll use it on that side. All right, you know the process. Just putting on the pad. I'm gonna spray the floor. All right, as you can see, we made it over to the front of the building now. And a few little stains here. The orientation room. Little black stains here. Stain there. We're gonna take care of all these. This is a double-sided room. All right, stay tuned. Here's the main area where the other two crew members are at. And we're gathering and finishing up here. So we got some stones here. I'll get those up. Just walking through because they're finished. Let's go check out that spot that was on the floor. Just wanted to check that out. Alright, so we're all finished. Like I said, these carpets take 30 minutes to dry. And we want to head to the next location. Go back to the other room that we're finishing off with in the front. Orientation. Fighting the chairs.
One place I didn't get wet was the middle.
Okay. All right, floors came out great. We are all finished with the orientation room. Stains are up. Just stain back over here, that's up. All right, stay tuned for the next one. All right, here we are in Jessup, here at the local Chewy. All right, we're here doing our other rooms here. We're just screening about 50,000 square feet today. So this is another extension of the video. As you can see, we have some stains here on the floor, right along the side. And some here. All right, we lifted up the chairs, got the chairs up. And we got some stains here. Got it all over here. Just getting ready to start. All right, stay tuned. Tackling some of the stains here. We have a stain on this blue tile, so I wanted to show you how we're going to get this. We are in the orientation rooms in the beginning of the warehouse. A little bit more complete. Came out great. And we're moving on to the next room. All right, stay tuned. All right, we are in Jessup, and this is the main office area. As you can see, we have side office rooms to do. Got the doors open over there. Going around the sides here, just doing a pre-check on the floors, seeing what we're getting ourselves into. Checking the offices here. The lights will go on. See, there's pets here, so we're using a pet cleaner. So he's getting ready to start spraying. Already putting down the spray. I'll stay in here. I'll have to check this one out. That one's not. Some stains in here. Oh man, this is nasty. Now, this here is going to come up, but it's going to leave a slight residue even here. It's horrible. It's going to come up. It's going to leave a slight stain. It's just saturated.
Good? Yeah.
No, we're not cleaning this room. In there, down the hallway. Got ourselves a conference room. All right, so you see what we're getting into. Stay tuned. All right, we're here in the maintenance room, and we're going to do the floor. As you can see, it can really use our attention. Some brown in here, a few stains over here. We can't move any of that. We don't even know what that is, so we're not going to touch that, but we'll work around it. All right, stay tuned. See how this come out. Stainless 19. One guy spraying, one guy buffing. See that stain that he's on? Check that out once it's finished. Look at that. I'll spray that again. Get another pass on it. 2 passes. Wiggle it back and forth. Go like straight up and down, like back and forth. Forward and back, forward and back. There you go, like scrubbing it. There you go. Yep, forward and back. Now go back, walk back. All right. Stains go in here. Bunch of stains in here. Same thing. I'm gonna scrub it. Go underneath the desk. Someone's having a coffee party. Go ahead, it's an office. They gotta work a lot. They gotta work a lot of hours. That's what's gonna happen. You wanna spill coffee. It's going from right up. I'm just gonna tackle that one underneath the desk. All right, we're gonna check on these 2 guys as they're working over here. Yeah, teamwork makes the dream work. One guy moving the chairs, one guy spraying, another guy in cap cleaning. Teamwork makes the dream work. 50,000 square feet today, baby. first aid room. It always has horrible stains. As you've seen in the beginning, we put our pre-spray down. We're allowing that to work and allowing it to dwell. We want to hit a spot. If you hit one of these, I want to see it. This won't come up. I think it might get some other stuff. Now, if you do that one in the back corner, the far corner, yeah, he just unlocked it. Hit this for me. I gotta see if it's gonna come up. We'll have to do something else. Peroxide.
That ain't shampoo. Scrap.
Nah, we gotta use the peroxide on it. All right, so this is the after results. We had to work it a little bit, put a little peroxide down, different type of solution. But you've seen that whole spot was totally pitch black, but it came up. It actually came up a lot better than what I thought. And we're finished here with this room. And we just had to do this hallway here. We got some stains down here. So we're going to execute maintenance room, believe it or not. We got all the stains up. Everything's looking great. Carpets are getting ready to dry here. We are out of here. On to the next building. We finished the main offices. And we're to the recruiting room. And then we're going. Stay tuned. We're all finished with the main office. Heading to the recruiting room. This is the main walk-in area. If you've seen the videos earlier, seen how great they turned out.